Dear fellow smokers, I reach out to you today out of extreme urgency. The Senate has enacted a law where they propose to increase taxes on premium cigars by 20,000%. No product in history has been taxed at such a high rate. Why cigars? Cigars are a cultural icon. They're an art form transcended through many generations. It's a lifestyle where adults discreetly enjoy a premium cigar just like they do a fine glass of wine. Great conversation, great company, lots of fun, no harm. The art form and the skill of making a cigar is very similar to the art form and skill of making a great wine. By the time you plant a seedling in the ground, the time you get a cigar in a box, it can be 3 to 5 years. 300 different hands touch the tobacco along the whole process. Very labor intensive, very different than the cigarettes that they're proposing to tax. We need to carve out an exclusion. You need to reach out to your senators and your congressmen in your particular states by email, by phone, by fax, and educate them about this labor of love, this industry that we've enjoyed and that we worked so hard to build. It is very unique, it's very different, and it will be eliminated by this tax. Millions of jobs are at stake. Just in this country alone, directly, we will lose 500,000 jobs. Indirectly, over 1.5 million jobs will be affected. In Honduras, Nicaragua, and Dominican, over 400,000 jobs will be lost directly or indirectly as a result of this unfair tax. We live in a free country where we have the right and freedom to enjoy and work hard to pursue a profession that we love, that we've worked so hard for to build. The manufacturing, wholesaling, retailing, importing of the cigar business will be eliminated by this high and unusury tax that they threaten to impose on us based on the present legislation in front of the Senate. Please urge them to carve out this crucial exemption, eliminating cigars from this tax. They can raise the revenue through cigarettes, and they haven't passed. The total amount of revenue raised from cigars right now is less than 1% of the total tobacco taxation in this country. This high tax will only stop all consumers from smoking cigars, and there will be no revenue for the government, and certainly it will put thousands and millions of people out of work, creating more employment and a heavier tax burden for this country. The basic concept here is that we need to educate our legislators so they know that the cigar industry is a boutique industry, it's a different industry, it's an art form and a cultural icon. Please get this message out so they can understand and we can move forward and enjoy the fine luxury items in life as adults and free Americans.